This car was completely forgotten, left to rot.
No one believed it could ever run again. But one man saw something different. He decided to bring it back to life. Come on, you old rust bucket, move! Years of dirt washed away. Slowly, it started to shine again. But the damage was deep. Every part had to be rebuilt. The heart of the car needed saving. Every wire mattered. Piece by piece, it came together. Nothing was easy. New life, new power. Fresh grip on the road. Clear vision restored. Inside completely reborn. It was finally waking up. And then it happened. Time for the real transformation. A fresh beginning. A brand new identity. Now it shines like a dream. Luxury from inside out. Modern, powerful. Every detail perfected. Ready to be revealed. From scrap to masterpiece. A second chance, fully earned. Now, it turns heads everywhere. Never underestimate what can be rebuilt.